regarding to the link of web, link of books, as well as require the number of videos, number of images. So now according to requirement, by database by Google to search out and then to provide the result. Now you can also search you can search on Google by use of the advanced search option. By user to require the specific search. So now that time to by Google to provide the advanced search facilities. Now next. In the advanced search facilities to provide the number of topic like query modifiers, file types, define, wildcard, word in phrases, and the gaps approximately search values. Now next is explained by Sunil Patel.
Now the query modifiers use the command in search windows. Means when we search on Google, at that time number of commands we have, that is like in title. Over here there is an example test, then all in title, that is test result, then in URL, that is test result, then the fourth one is all in URL, that is test result personality, then the all in text, that is text result personality, all in anchor test result personality, then like site. Means if you want to search on specific site, at that time you can use this command, that is site, then colon, location, then dot government, then file types. Means if you want to search like docs, ppt, pdf, text file, at that time you can search through the file types. Now let me see about the in title. Now here this search returns the site with the word test in the title and results anywhere in the documents. Means using this command in title test result, we can search on Google, that is test in a title. It will gives when the title is test and the result in anywhere in the document. It will gives specific result through the test result using in title command. Now the next is all in title. Over here the result is test result, we can find out using the all in title command. Now all of the search terms will be found in the title. Means using this command we can find or we can search with the title in anywhere. Not that in this example there are much fewer hits when both the term test and results must be found in the title of the page. Means using all in title we can find out or the result is almost where the result and test are in the title form. Means it will gives the answer like test if you if title is a test, if title is a result, then using this command it will gives the result. Now the next is in URL test, that is test result. Now URL test command returns only test must be found in the web address. Now as we discussed, URL means Uniform Research Locator. Over here in URL it will give the result through in URL command where the test result in URL. It will gives the total answer. See in the example. Now for test result of Netscape, means it will gives with test result character. Now then next is all in text. Now what is all in text? Through all in text command, sometimes you get pages that do not have your search terms or phrases in them. Means on Google when we search any topics, at that time the Google gives number of possibility where that text is concerned. Okay, now why? Because Google also searches for pages that just link to the target page. Over here through Google when we find out through all in text, at that time it will gives a specific pages that your search terms in them. Means in all the texts which we are given in Google search, it will displays using the all in text command. Now see in the example, that is first one, crash test result. Over here we find out the crash test result, then using all text command crash test result, then it will gives, see in the this one part, that is the result about the 997000, where the using all in text command it will just give the answer in result about the 974000. Now the next is all in anchor, now which returns only pages that links to pages with your search terms but not in the actual page. Means using all in anchor command, the result the pages returns only which we are find out. Okay, now this is opposite of all text. This is optionally opposite, completely opposite with the all in text command. Now let me see about the next command, that is cite command. Now as we discussed from the part, the cite command, that is limit your search to a specific website. Means using this cite command, when we search any in the Google search, at that time it will gives a specific site result. Over here, that is for example, if we are find out the result, then site gtu.ac.in, at that time this one this command will give you the only find the result on GTU site. Means that is almost very preferable for specific answer, specific search, when you are find out any specific result from the specific site. Now using the cite command, you can easily find out your specific result on the specific site. Now next is file types. This one is also very useful for right now, because of it this one gives a specific document search. For example, when we find out a PDF file, at that time we have to just write down some text, means which we are find out, that is .pdf. At that time that will will give us only the PDF file. Then if we are find out an doc file, means Microsoft Word file, at that time we have to give the extension, that is .doc. Same as we can search specific pictures like JPG, GIF, TIF, means graphics and photos. It is also we can search through the file type. Then PPT like Microsoft PowerPoint presentation through the file type. Means using a file type command, you can search a specific documentation on the Google through give specific extension with which we are find out the document. Now next is define. Now define gives you the definition of words gathered from the various online sources. Means when we find out any definition, at that time the define command gives you the definition through the online sources. Means if the number of definition are there, at that time using a define command we can search. Like in this example, that is SCA, means it gives the definition of the SCA on the web. Now using this type of these different types of features, advanced features, we can find out on the search through the specific site, on through specific definition, specific text or specific pictures or documents. Now after that we move on advanced search. Now what is the advanced search? Before we search on Google, the Google provides us the advanced search procedure, which which support to us specific, like for example, if you want to search as a title, at that time just you have to give the title. If you want to search a specific word from the document, at that time it will provide a specific word. Like now for the advanced search, first of all you have to go to the www.google.com back advanced search site. Now using this URL you can search with the allow word, none of the word, etc. Means when we find out through the advanced search, if we want to search like allow word means all the words are allowed, then none of the words means we doesn't want a specific word. At that time we can give that word which we cannot find. Now see in the page, find page with all these word, then title text means the first all these word which gives the type of important word which we are find, then these exact words or phrase means if we want to search a specific word on site, at that time you have to give over here the word, then any of these word means if you have number of words find out, at that time you have to give a word with you have to find out, then none of these word means if doesn't want to required any word, at that time you have to give that word over here. Then also you can narrow your result like language means you are select your language, then region means if you want to find out from the specific region, then also the Google allows you to the that part. Also the last updated means if you want to search through the updated file means if you want to latest update file, at that time you can also select that part. Now in short, the advanced search on Google or through the advanced search you can search your document with specific word or specific part of your documentation. Now through the advanced search you can find page with type of the important word as we have seen. Now let me see the advanced search process. First of all we have to write down audience, then we can select from the setting that is advanced search. Now through the different part of the different text on advanced search we can search as we have discussed through the different language, region, last updated, safe search, filter your search, you can also filter your search, then you can search through the pages. Now uses rights. Now in short, using a advanced search we can search a specific document with specific words or documents. Now you can narrow your result, find the page in language, you can select find the page published in the particular region, etc. Now next let's we see about the Google services. Now Google is give or provide a number of services to the user like Google Translate, drivers, docs, news and maps. Now let me see about the Google Translate. Now Google Translate, using a Google Translator, you can translate your word or sentence in any languages. Means indirectly, if you want to change or if you want to translate your language or your word online, at that time the Google provides the Google Translator by typing Google Translator on the Google search bar or go to the URL, that is translate.google.co.in. You can go to the Google Translator page. Now for translate word in any language, just write the word in Google search bar. Means if you want to change or if you want to translate your word in any language, at that time just you have to write down your word on Google bar, then search. It will gives the result as a translated word. Now for translation of whole sentence, you have to write down, that is translate.google.co.in on the URL. Now Google gives a number of languages translation on the online site. Now almost there are 5 languages of India which are given by the Google for translation from language to language. Now through the Google Translate, you can translate your language. Like if you want to translate English to Gujarati, at that time first of all you have to select English over here, then after write down your sentence, and then if you want to translate in which language, first of all you have to select that one from the next menu. Now as we have discussed, Google gives the 5 types of languages translation on the Google site. Now means using a Google Translator, you can translate your word or sentence on the online site.